Welcome to the CarDo channel, your one-stop destination for all things cars. We don't just love cars, we understand them. In today's video, we're going to take you on a journey under the hood of your car. We'll be dissecting the beast piece by piece, exploring the role and function of each part. It's not just about knowing your car, but understanding it, appreciating the engineering marvel it truly is. So let's dive in, let's get started, and let's learn together. Ever wondered how your car functions so seamlessly each time you turn on the ignition? Well, it's not magic, but a symphony of various parts working together in perfect harmony. Understanding these parts and their functions can be fascinating, not only for car enthusiasts, but also for everyday car owners. From the engine that powers your journey to the brakes that keep you safe, each component plays a critical role. So buckle up as we delve into the intricacies of what makes your car run. At the heart of every car is the engine, the powerhouse that sets everything in motion. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of engines to understand their role in making our cars run smoothly. The engine is the beating heart of any car. It's responsible for converting fuel into mechanical power. This conversion happens in a careful process involving pistons, spark plugs, valves, and a crankshaft, all working together in harmony. When you step on the gas pedal, you're essentially telling this complex system to work harder, to push your vehicle faster. Now, not all engines are created equal. There are different types, each with its own set of advantages. The most common type is the internal combustion engine, which has been powering vehicles for over a century. This engine operates on the principle of igniting a mixture of fuel and air to create a small explosion that drives the pistons. Then, there are electric engines, which are becoming increasingly popular due to their environmental benefits. These engines convert electrical energy into mechanical energy, offering a quieter, smoother ride. There's also the hybrid engine, a combination of both. It utilizes an internal combustion engine and one or more electric motors to provide power. This gives you the best of both worlds, the long range of gasoline engines and the energy efficiency of electric ones. Lastly, we have diesel engines. They're similar to their gasoline counterparts, but operate under a different principle. Instead of using spark plugs to ignite the fuel, diesel engines compress the air until it becomes so hot that the fuel ignites on its own. This makes them more efficient, but also a bit noisier. Each of these engines has its own strengths and weaknesses, and which one is best for you depends on your driving habits and needs. But no matter the type, all engines share a common goal: to transform energy into motion. In essence, without an engine, your car is just a very expensive piece of metal. If the engine is the heart of the car, the transmission is certainly the backbone. It's the glue that binds the power of the engine to the wheels, creating a harmonious symphony of movement. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of how this mechanical marvel works. The transmission is essentially a complex system of gears that transfers the engine's power to the wheels. It's like a multi-talented conductor, expertly directing the engine's energy to where it's needed most, ensuring the car moves with grace and efficiency. In a manual transmission, the driver takes on the role of the conductor, manually shifting gears to control the power flow. On the other hand, an automatic transmission does all the heavy lifting for you, seamlessly shifting gears as you accelerate or decelerate. Within this system, you'll find a fascinating array of components. The clutch, for example, plays a pivotal role in connecting and disconnecting the engine from the transmission. Meanwhile, the torque converter in an automatic transmission serves a similar purpose, allowing the car to stop in gear without stalling. Imagine driving a car without brakes. Scary, isn't it? This is the world of brakes, a crucial part of any vehicle that ensures your safety on the road. But what exactly do they do, and how do they work? Brakes are not just about stopping the car. They allow you to control your vehicle's speed, making it possible to navigate turns and avoid obstacles. In a nutshell, they give you control over your vehicle, and without them, driving would be a reckless endeavor. So, how does this work? When you press the brake pedal, you're actually activating a system of levers, hydraulics, and friction materials. This system works together to slow down your car and bring it to a stop, It starts with the brake pedal, which is connected to a lever. Pressing the pedal pushes a piston into a cylinder filled with brake fluid, creating pressure. This pressure is then transmitted through brake hoses to the brake calipers at each wheel. Inside the brake calipers are brake pads that squeeze onto a rotating disc, known as the brake disc or rotor. This squeezing action creates friction, which slows down the rotor and in turn the wheel. The result? Your car comes to a stop. This might seem like a simple process, but it's a fine-tuned system that requires regular maintenance. Brake pads wear down over time, and brake fluid can become contaminated, affecting the performance of the brakes. So, next time you stop your car, remember, it's the brakes that keep you safe. Ever wondered why your car doesn't feel every bump on the road? The answer lies in an underappreciated, yet integral component of your vehicle: the suspension system. This system is the unsung hero that absorbs the shocks and irregularities of the road, providing you with a smooth ride. The suspension system is a complex network of springs, shock absorbers, and linkages that connect your vehicle to its wheels. It's like a buffer, a middleman, if you will, between the road and your car. Its primary function is twofold: to ensure the car's handling and braking for active safety and driving pleasure, and to keep vehicle occupants comfortable and reasonably well isolated from road noise, bumps, and vibrations. Imagine for a moment driving over a pothole without a suspension system. The impact would send a jolt through the entire vehicle, making your ride uncomfortable, to say the least. But when your car has a well-functioning suspension system, it absorbs this impact, reducing the shock that reaches you and your passengers. This system also plays a crucial role in maintaining road contact for your tires. In the face of bumps and dips, the suspension system ensures your tires remain grounded, providing optimal grip and control. So next time you're out for a drive, appreciate the smoothness of your ride. Remember, it's all thanks to the hard-working suspension system. Without the suspension system, every ride would quite literally be a bumpy one. So, there you have it, the vital organs of your car. We've journeyed through the engine, the heart that keeps your car moving. We've shifted gears with the transmission, the brain that controls the power delivered to your wheels. We've stopped and started with the brakes, the muscles that keep you safe on the road. And we've ridden smoothly over bumps with the suspension system, the legs that absorb shocks and maintain comfort. Each part, each function, is a testament to the marvel of automotive engineering. They all work together in harmony to deliver the driving experience we often take for granted. It's not just about the thrill of speed or the comfort of a smooth ride. It's about safety, efficiency, and respect for the machine that carries us on our journeys. Remember, understanding your car better can lead to safer and more efficient driving. So, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video to spread the knowledge. Drive safe. Before we wrap up, we'd like to thank you for joining us on this automotive journey. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to understanding your vehicle. We hope that this video has given you a deeper appreciation for the complexity and beauty of your car's mechanics. Once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our CarDo channel. Drive safe and stay tuned for more.